So recently, a friend of mine bought his first set of AirPods Pro, and he got the AirPods Pro 3. I told him that I had a set as well, and I asked him what he thought about them. He thought they were pretty good, except they would never stay in his ear. They were always dropping out, or he was always fidgeting to try and get them in the right space, and he just couldn't get happy with them. And I asked him, well, did you try replacing the ear tips? And he had no idea what I was talking about. He's like, what are you talking about, ear tips? And I was like, well, inside the box, there's like 4 different sizes of ear tips you can try. And he had no idea what I was saying. I think he threw the box away, and now he doesn't have any extra ear tips to try, but I let him try a few of mine, and he seems to like them now. But I figure if somebody like him didn't know about the ear tips, maybe somebody out there doesn't know about the ear tips either. So let's just kind of open this thing up, and we will look at the ear tips, how you change them out, and maybe a couple other tips on how to keep your AirPods in your ears. Let's go. So here's the box of AirPods. Now, I'm going to try and simulate how my friend could have possibly missed these things. So my guess is he probably opened the box, took out the documentation, and if you've unboxed a pair of these before, you know there's kind of like this tape that goes across the top. So here's a little piece of tape. So maybe he went like this, pushed this off to the side, and opened them up and said, hey, my AirPods. Not knowing that inside the box is this little thing right here at the very bottom where you have a bunch of different ear tips that you can pick from right here. So if you're in this situation, here's a bunch of different choices. So if your AirPods don't fit right, you can change these tips out with one of these. In fact, you can mix and match. Like if one ear is a little bigger than the other, maybe use this one and this one, or this one and this one. It's up to you. It's like completely customizable. Now, the thing that's kind of a hassle with these is that these tips don't come off real easily, and they feel very fragile, so you might be tempted to try and baby them, like kind of wiggle them off and stuff. I don't. I just kind of peel them inside out like this and just yank on them until they pop off. Now, maybe that's a bad idea, but whatever, it works for me. Then when you pick one that you like, maybe this size, you put it on like this, and whoops, get back here. You put it on like this, and you push it a little bit, and you hear a little snap, and then it's in place. Now, one thing about these is that when you put the pods into your ears and you boot up your phone, you go into settings, and you go to AirPods, you can scroll down to test acoustic seal. This will help you determine whether or not the tips that you have fit your ears well. If you go to here and you hit continue, it'll play a test and it'll tell you if your seals are any good. So like it'll play like this. And you can't hear the music, obviously. I can hear them. But then if it's a good seal, then you'll get these little indicators that says it's a good seal. So that's one way to double check how things are. Now, I personally don't want to use this little guy. I want to put the one in originally that I had, which is this one. These things feel fragile, but they're pretty tough. So anyway, once you get the pair of tips that you like, you just kind of close it back up, put it back into the box, put your box back together, and put it back on the shelf. So in case you want to change your ear tips out again sometime, you know where they are. Now, another thing that's interesting about these is when you get sweaty during a workout, they don't always stay in real tight. Like they start to get loose, and you're constantly fidgeting with them to get them to stay in place. There's a way that you can get these things to stay in your ear a little better. They don't come with hooks, but you can buy these hooks on Amazon. These are pretty cheap. These are like $14, and they're really easy. So you just take a pair out of the box, and you can notice there's little spaces that it aligns with the vents on the earbud. So you just kind of stick it in here, pull it on. You have to fidget with them a little bit because when you first get them, they're a little tight. but eventually they work. And then you just put this thing in your ear, and the hook hooks onto your ear, and then they don't fall out of place. You use this when you work out. You don't need them when you're just, using them for phone calls or listening to music. But another thing that's probably pretty obvious, but, they're not going to close. The case isn't going to close if they're on, so you just have to make sure you pull them off and then close it all up, and you're ready to go for the next run or bike ride or whatever you want to do with them. So hopefully that was of some value. If it was, think about maybe subscribing or at least hitting the like button. If you didn't like it, then don't do that by all means. But on that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.